Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another food tasting video. Last time I tasted snacks from H Mart, but today I'm doing snacks from Ranch Market. It's another Asian supermarket. So let's get started. These I got these because they kind of remind me of onion rings. Not onion rings, Funyuns. I really hated Funyuns for a long time, and then I don't know where, like one day I just tried one again, and then I super liked them. And then the Flamin' Hot Funyuns came out, and I thought those were super good. Oh, they're really little. They smell like consomme. It's focusing on me. Bouillon cubes. Wow, they're really good. They do taste like Funyuns. I feel like they even kind of have like something sweet. And I think Funyuns don't have any sugar. Oh, it says it has brown sugar. I don't know where these chips are from, but I'm assuming they're Japanese based on the characters on the side. This is really good. 10 out of 10. I found a new chip I like. Next, I got these cookies because they look really weird. Like what the hell is an umbrella cookie?
I don't know. I don't know.
I guess I'm gonna find out. It's from Taiwan. Umbrella cookies, biscuit, parapluie? Parapluie? I don't know what that means. I think they smell like cinnamon. I don't even know what I'm tasting. What is that flavor? It's probably, oh, the star anise. Oh, it has cinnamon, star anise, cumin, pepper, cloves. They don't taste bad, but when I like think about cookies, I think about like sweet cookies. So I guess I would give this 6 out of 10 because they're not gross or anything, but I mean, I don't want to dunk these in milk. Sorry. Next. These I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like. Puff pastry, dark. I love dark chocolate more than regular milk chocolate. Dora's hairs is on it. The little tray is funny. Oh, they're individually wrapped. How cute. The puffiest pastry. Okay. Taiwan. Another Taiwan product. This one I'm expecting to be good. It has to be good. It's chocolate. What am I smelling? I feel like I've smelled that smell before. It has to be coconut, right? Palm kernel oil. Oh, there you go, coconut powder. I don't really like coconut. I like coconuts themselves. Oh shit. The coconut, it's not a fruit, right? I don't know what it is. Nut? This is coconut. The coconut itself, I do like it with like lemon and chile. But when it's with food, I don't know. It's not bad. But if there was no chocolate involved, then I wouldn't be involved. Okay. Oh, the rating. 7 out of 10. Even though I'm not a coconut girl. I'm gonna try an ice cream too, but I left that in the freezer. This is a sour can. I'm assuming it's sour. It looks sour, but it just says stringy gummy. It's from Japan. Orange flavor. The little mono here looks funny. Bobo. I can't open this. Is this even food? It looks like a fucking band-aid. Open. I can't. There must be another way.
No, you can't! There must be another way!
Oh, there's a little slit here. Looks like a quarter of a Kraft Singles. Okay. I eat. It's pretty good. It actually tastes like orange. But it's not sour at all. They remind me of another gummy. I think they're a lot of gummies, I don't know, like they don't really taste that fruity to me. There's certain gummies that I actually do like, but some are just like eh. And they kind of remind me of the Scooby-Doo gummies. Those are actually super good. I feel like those actually taste like something. Pretty good. I don't know if I would give it, I mean, I guess for what it is, it should be a 10 out of 10. And it only has 2 sugars for one little sheet. Alright, 10 out of 10. But if you're into candy, this is really good. I'm gonna go get the ice cream. It's a little capybara floating on a duck with an orange on its head. It says caramel orange chocolate flavor ice cream. The picture is for reference only. I didn't read that part. It better not be a capybara. That's why I bought it. My beloved, no, rest in peace. He kind of looked like a capybara. So I really like capybaras. Where is it from? It does not say. I think it's China. There's a bunch of addresses. Oh, there you go. Product of China. Okay. Oh, it does look like a capybara. It's so cute. I've never seen an ice cream like this. You always get the weird ass ice cream from the paletero, the ice cream man, that they're like weirdly shaped. It feels like it's like a boba milk tea, but instead of like sipping, I'm biting the boba. I don't really taste the orange. I taste the caramel. Oh, that's probably why it tastes like boba. Or the brown sugar. Caramel orange chocolate flavor ice cream. Oh yeah, I think the duck tastes like orange. It's good. His little paws, it looks like he's strangling him. That's funny. It's pretty good. I guess 9 out of 10 because I was expecting to taste orange throughout the whole bar, but it's just the little ducky part. It kind of looks like the ducks from The Nightmare Before Christmas. His eyes do not look well. Alright, my favorite thing I would say, oh, did I rate it already? Oh yeah, I said 9 out of 10. Duh. Okay. I think these were my favorite. They taste super good. It's probably, yeah, the sugar. They smell kind of strong, but they're really good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe to the channel too, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.